Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is isomorphic string. So here you have given two string s and t, and you just have to figure it out like whether these two strings are isomorphic or not. So here we have given the definition of isomorphic, that is if two string s and t are isomorphic if the character in s can be replaced to get the t. So here also it has mentioned like all occurrences of character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same character, but the character may map to itself. So in this example, we have given egg and add. Okay, so here if we will see E we have 1 times as well as G we have 2 times. In the same pattern in add A we have 1 times and D we have 2 times. So in this case this is isomorphic. If we will see another example, that is let's see foo and bar. So again in this case what will happen, like foo and bar. So foo f stands 1 times, o stands 2 times. In the other way, bar b is 1 times, a is again 1 times, and r is again 1 time. So here this pattern we are not able to match. In this case we just have to return false. So let me quickly jump to the board and we'll discuss what approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. Okay, so in this example, I have taken two string s is equals to paper and t is equals to title. So the first thing what we have to create, we are going to solve this problem statement using hash map. So for that, I'm just going to create two hash map. The first hash map will keep a track for s string and the second hash map will keep a track for t string. So let me quickly create the map. This is map s. This is nothing but it will hold the track of s string. So in this case there will be key and value. Both key and value will be of character type. Okay, similarly we will have another map, that is map t. Again this will also hold key as well as value. Both key and value will be of character type. Now at index 0 we have p as well as t. So what you have to do, first you have to check for map s whether this p is there or not. In this case it is not there, so key will be p and value will be the other string first character, that is t. Similarly for map t, the key will be t as well as the value will be p. Now if we will increment and if we will come at first index, in this we have for s, map s, we will check whether this a is present or not in this given map. In this case, I'm just going to add a as a key and the value will be the other string character, that is I. Vice versa. This is again not available, so I'm just going to add this one else as a key and a will be the value. So what we are doing, we are just mapping the characters of S and T among each other, right? Now again it will come at this second position and it will see whether P is present or not. In this case it is present. So in this case again it will check what is the value for this key. So the value is T. So other character is already T. In this case it will not return false. If the value will not match with the other character, then it will return false, and vice versa. In other map, if you will see the second position, the key is t and the value is p. So in this case also we are good. Next e is not present, so we'll add the key as e, and what will be the value? Value will be this one, l. Similarly, likewise, vice versa, here key will be l and value will be e. Again the last one, r with e. R is not present, so I'm just going to put r as a key and value will be e. And here also it's a vice versa, kind of like e and the value will be r. So what we have done, simple, whatever character we have, zeroth character of s string, that will be key in map s. Zeroth character of t string, that will be key in map t, and for other thing the value will be the other string ith characters. Okay, so for p the value will be t, for t the value will be p. Same thing we are going to achieve through code. So let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write a code for the same. Okay, so the first thing, if the length of s string as well as the length of t string is not same, in that case we just have to return false from here itself. We will not check further. Then what we have to do, we have to create a map. As we have discussed, for s string we need one map, and for t string we will have another map. Why? Because we want to keep a track of key value in separate map. So for that we will be using one hash map. Let me copy this one, as we need similar thing for t map. Now the iteration will start from 0 and it will go up to the length of either s or t, because both length is same. Now you just have to find two things. The first thing will be c1. C1 means, let's say this is the first character of s. So for that s dot, you have to use a method caret of I. Similarly, you need another char, that is c2. For c2 again it will be t dot caret of I. Perfect. Now what you have to check, first you have to check whether in map as this c1 is present or not. So contains key c1. If it is there, then we have to perform some sort of activity. If it is not there, okay, in that case what we will do, simple thing, we just have to insert. First we will keep c1 as a key and c2 will be value. If it is there, then we have to check whatever value we have, right, that value is equal to the other string character or not. So for c1, if it is not equal to c2, then simple thing what we have to do, simple, from here itself we will return false, or else it will keep on moving. Same set of activity we have to perform for other thing. If the map of t, whether it contains that particular key, which key, c2, the other key, then we have to perform some sort of activity. If it is not there, then the simple thing what we have to do, in t we just have to insert the character. So here first we will insert c2. C2 will be key and c1 will be value, exactly the opposite. Now we have to check if map of t, whether it has this c2. If it is having that one, and if it is not equal to c1, then what we have to do, simple, we have to just return false from here itself, or else at the end we will directly return true. Okay, so let me quickly execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the three test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so our 47 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.